Hello, this is Andy from Andy's Amateur Adventures coming to you with a quick video today. This is how to install some lettering on the back of your tailgate. So there's a very few process steps. The very first thing you need to do is clean your truck. So I washed it down with some soap and water, dry it with a towel, and now all the areas that's getting the adhesive lettering, I am cleaning off with rubbing alcohol. 95%, 70%, it doesn't really matter, just clean it with some alcohol, and that'll make sure you don't have any grease or anything from your hands or from the road in those grooves where the letters are going to go. The next step is you take the letters, you peel the back of them so the adhesive is on them, and you apply them to your truck. You hold them for about 30 seconds for each letter, and then you can let them go. And once you've done all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters for Maverick, you are done. The entire process takes roughly 5 minutes. And I am uploading a full unedited video where you can see me going through the process in real time. But for those of you who need some time, this is a 90-second quick short take. I hope you have a great day.